And finally, in this next scene, a person is booking accommodation over the phone. Listen for room le room eundlet, a room with a bathroom. Room le room eundlet.
Matting va, ta jasten na mara.
Matting va. Find me room je haringe. Room le room eundlet.
Iaf kacharaf. Room dubbeltje na room singeltje.
Room singeltje.
Begin kerst geljaar.
Chime shiftje haringe me ha. Ben nog lief.
Kerst me ha, ben nog lief.
Hallo, Kimera Hashif. Faaltje unit 43 Unit 33. In this unit, we'll be talking about things you can or cannot do. To ask if someone can do or is able to do something, you say, Anoringwave, followed by whatever it is. Anoringwave. Anoringwave.
Remember, the familiar of guive is goed. Anorin goed. Can you? Anorin goed. Anorin goed.
Anorin goed snaaf aan me.
Sorry. Sjouw, ham je snaaf?
Ertje, anoring gaf sja oprachug.
Soring ga op de rug.
Kleef, va.
Vadi, anorin goed shane.
Sorin. Sorin go Shane. Ham je Shane aan een kosher?
Shoot me ha. Shane jaran. Honey, shoot. Shane jaran.
Genoeg ga Shane.
Anoringut snav. Can you swim? Anoringut snav. Anoringut snav. And the answer was, Suring. Yes, I can. Suring. Suring.
Archie, anorin guive sha oprachig. Archie, can you work this? And the answer was, Suring. Suring ga oprachig. Yes, I can work it. Suring. Suring ga oprachig. Suring. Suring ga oprachig.
The teacher asked, Anoringut Shane, can you sing? And Mary replied, Suring. Suring o Shane. Yes, I can sing. Suring. Suring o Shane. Suring. Suring o Shane. Ha me a shine and an kosher. I sing in a choir. Ha me a shine and an kosher. Ha me a shine and an kosher.
The teacher added, Shane oran. Sing a song. Johnny said, Chanurin go Shane. I can't sing. Chanurin go Shane. Chanurin go Shane.
In these next dialogues, listen for Anoringut Shin Alevig. Can you read that? Anoringut Shin Alevig. Anoringut Shin Alevig.
Anoring go chin a levig.
Genoeg. Han skriven grovek.
Na horing goed shingetje.
Chanorin. Hij vatter o uar.
Genoeg dit is drijvig.
Chanorin. Ham o griem gorst.
Anorin goed shing al liedjes.
Genoeg een spek ar am koffie toe.
Chanorin. No, I can't. Han skrivig rovik. The writing is too small. Han skriver rovik. Han skriver rovik.
To ask a negative question, you use nach before urin. Nach urin gut sin ich. Can you not eat that? Nach urin gut sin ich. Nach urin gut sin ich.
Chanurin. Hai fatter ro uer. No, I can't. It's far too cold. Chanurin. Hai fatter ro uer. Chanurin. Hai fatter ro uer.
Icher is used to add emphasis. Anurin gut icher drivig. Can you not drive? Anurin gut icher drivig. Anurin gut icher drivig. Icher can also come at the end of a sentence. Anurin gut sin all icher. Can you not drink that? Anurin gut sin all icher. Anurin gut sin all icher.
Is big orm coffee too? Is big orm I hate? Is big orm? Is big orm?
To say someone else can do something, you say, for example, Surin dog Ian can, or Surin do Morag can.
Listen also in the following scenes for Suringa. He can. Suringa. Suringa. And Suringi. She can. Suringi. Suringi.
Morgen te ha ma streek.
Chanurin. Ach, sorry ta jein streek. Beatrich jans na bounden.
Nurig a changes arnya.
Gaan je lisakken.
A chuirstí, soring de bhór ac a chláirstach a chluich.
Hai sacum. Hai mahara.
To say something is easy, you say, Hai furiste. It's easy. Hai furiste. Hai furiste. Another word for easy is siriv. Siriv.
Difficult is deriv. Deriv. Dulich is also used for difficult. Dulich. Dulich.
Jay ha kere de gaar aundra. Nurig of de gaarig.
Gaan je moor aan kaar. Hij voerst de geljare gaarag.
Na goed een goed skiën, Gaelic.
Sorin. Hai Sarah.
En willen we zien me ha?
En nodig een computer opruggen.
Cha moring, ha dyrf oprachig. Ha fatter o gyrf.
Gaan je let de widget. Shaul.
Noring gut in duise sio Janef.
Gaan nuring haar o gudef.
Gaan je let dara vidjar. Troet.
Anurin gut garig. Can you fix it? Anurin gut garig. Anurin gut garig. And Indra was confident. He said, Hai furust de guljar garig. It's easy enough to repair. Hai furust de guljar. Hai furust de guljar.
An noring gucht an dance show a Yanov. Can you do this dance? The man replied, Chanoring, hai ro gurev. No, it's too difficult. Chanoring, hai ro gurev. Chanoring, hai ro gurev.